Okay, here's another example of putting this in the correct form so that we can find A, B, C, and D. You might want to put the 6 at the end just so you don't get confused. So if I do 2 sine, this one has parentheses, so remember I can't have that 3 there, so I need to factor it out. So I'm going to say 3, which makes this x. And then inside here, we're going to kind of do that to the side in a second. Okay? And put the 6 at the end. So remember, what I'm doing is dividing. So 3x divided by 3 makes 1x. So to get this piece right here, I just need to do pi over 2 divided by 3. So remember, when you are dividing fractions, that means you are multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay? So that would equal pi over 6 when I take that 3 out. Okay? So right here is going to be pi over 6. Again, if you want to check that, just distribute. 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times pi over 6 would make 3 pi over 6, which makes pi over 2, which is what I started with, so I know I did it right. And then I can go ahead and list my A, B, and C. So A would be 2, B would be 3, C would be negative pi over 6. Remember, we have to change that sign. And D would be 6.